Okay, so I haven't done Lego videos for past 3 days or 4 days, so I thought I might just even it out with one special set that I got, and it's interesting that it's 16 plus, and I just turned 15 in October. So yes, let's do a review on this set here. So this is the Lego set 10220. It's still in the construction manual still doesn't say, which don't think I have the box. Oh yes, I do. It doesn't say that it's a Lego creator, but now it is. So it comes with two construction manuals, both of the same. Because this set is so big and huge, it has loads of functions. So things like the doors opening, it has loads of doors. Like this, it even has this that comes up. So there's lots of little details to really talk about on this one build. So yes, there it is. It's a Volkswagen Campervan. So yes. So you even got an inside to it. Just ignore this. And there's even windows that open up on the front there. They like open up. So I'm gonna lift this off. There it is. So yes, now here's the driver area. It has a gear stick here. It has the gear stick. You can move it. It has the indicator. You can move it. Come on. So there's the indicator. The steering wheel does not turn because it's just one solid piece. And there's a RPM gauge. There's a clock. Probably saying that's the speedometer, because they had huge speedometers in these times. They didn't really have an RPM gauge back then. You just had to listen to the engine. But there is one here, just, or maybe that's the speedometer. But I know it's an RPM gauge because it has a red, which means it's over revving. So yes, now it has one mirror that you can move, and it's only on one side because that's also an old feature in classics like these. So now moving on to the interior, we've got this moving chair that moves like this. There's also some kind of cupboard thing over here. It opens. There it is. See, it opens. I don't know where that leads to, but if we look in this window, there's like a dress. Let me just move this window out the way if I can. How do I move this window? Just move the there's like some kind of dress in there that says make models, not war. There we go. Put that back on. And then there's also a sink with a little cupboard which has sausages in it. This is from the grill from the Campervan set. There they are. So yeah, that's probably like the fridge. We've got a golden tap or a sink. We've got a brush, which is really detailed. So, and then there's also a frying pan, which is just like from the caravan set, the camper van. It's like chrome. And dashboard moves a bit. So we close these. So if we move on to the back, we've got this opening door. And the biggest bit of detail that I really like is the engine. It has a boxer engine, it seems, with that rope. Let's actually have a look at the whole engine model. So here it is. Here's the whole thing. So yes, there's this small opening bit here. And we also got an exhaust, which just appears from the underside of this. Now the engine is just over here, so I guess it just makes sense to come out of there. So yes, of course, the back door opens, the window. There's also a TV in there. Over down here. So yes, let's close these doors. There's also a shelf down here. There's some drawers over down there. The end of this chair moves as well. There's a table that opens up. Let me try and get this. There it is. It folds up and down. There's a the big chair in the driver's seat moves. Yes. Now the wheels have no differentials, so it's just one solid piece. If I spin this, it spins with it. I can't turn them opposite ways. Same with the front wheels. So yes, now the handles move on this. Also on the other side. And if we take the handles off, they look like pistols. And there's also a lamp in here, like a lava lamp. We've got the fuel hole. We have these really rectangular brake lights. So yes, this is one of the sets that are just really detailed. And then there's also this thing that opens up. We got these hands for tying things in one place, like that. And that's probably all there is. If I miss anything, just tell me in the comments, because huge builds like these have so much detail, you just miss loads of things. So yes. If there's something that you want me to try out with this set. Now of course I'm not going to do a, the only thing that I'm not going to do is take it apart into tiny pieces, because it takes long times to put it back together. So yes, there's a black line going through the middle with the red underneath and white at the top. even has these interesting chromy hood caps. They're like these, and these go onto the wheel like this. So yes, the construction manual has some complications. I don't know if that's really a word. Well, I just made it a word, so yes. There's some confusion, sometimes it's confusing. Like with the pieces over here, it's kind of hard to tell where the some of these orange pieces go. I kind of misplaced that a few times, so I count that as a confusion. Also here, there's two ends of this. We've got the 2-hole ends and then the 4-hole ends. And that was also confusing because I put it on the wrong way round. And it didn't really go on. So yes. And we got a nice plane at the back. Seems to be a French plane. There's a French flag. So yes, that is going to be it for this set. I didn't really sit down because I was showing the set up close because there's so much detail I had to zoom in. So yeah, bye.